Whenever I'm assembling anything like this, areas that require a lot of oil, I usually bathe that area with oil along the cam so when you crank your engine over the first time, there will be some oil in that area. Now I'm going to place this cover. Be careful not to touch the treated area. And put this in place. Okay. With this sitting down like this, I'm going to put in a couple of screws and then check my timing marks again. You can see right here, the first marks I made cap to camshaft are lined up, and back here is lined up also. Now I need to make sure that I have the right teeth count between the markings on the sprockets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right on. All right? So we're gonna screw this down now. No, before we screw it down, I'm gonna install the cam cap and the cam seal. The circumference of these are rubber, so you don't really need to put any sealant on them, right? So turn it inside. This end goes in. Sit in place over here. And you push it in until it bottoms out. All right. Now on this one, I will put a little oil around here so it will slide in more easily. Or even WD-40, I might use that because it's if you have that, you can use that just a little bit. With the oil on the inner lip, I'll slide this in place, wiggle it. Okay, I heard a little noise here, so I want to make sure I didn't damage the inner lip on the hole for the keyway. So as I put it in this time, I'm gonna feed that in first before I wiggle the bottom in. All the way in till it bottoms out. You can't push it in any further. All right, those two are in place. Next will be to put the screws in and tighten things down. Okay, we have the 23 screws in place. All right, 4 in the back, 4, 4, 4, 4, and 3. I'm gonna run them down by hand. Remember, I like to crisscross to make sure I get an even pull down on the top over the camshafts. Okay, now I've done the 4 here. I'm gonna go here, and here, and here, and here, next. Okay. Then I'm gonna go here, 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 and here. Starting in the center and working out. Yeah, kind of jumped it. Gonna miss one there. I jumped from here to here. I should have gone to here. So I'm gonna hit this one. And then do this one. This one is already done. And since I've already done this now, I will go to this one. Okay, and go over here. To here. Now all of these within this area are done. So now I'm going to the outer edge. And before doing this, I could have done these two in here, right? And then jump out here. But since I started this way, I'm going to continue like this. The whole idea is to pull this thing down fairly evenly. This one is not going down easily, probably because of a little bit of glue in that hole. Going back here again. The last one. No, actually, there's one more. There's one more actually right here.